is an emergency alert from the United States government for every citizen of the United States of America. "48 hours ago, a yet unidentified disease emerged. We have not identified the disease, but the CDC is working to identify it. Please listen to the following instructions given by the CDC to identify the symptoms of this disease. Stage 1 begins with coughing, a low fever, and chills. Sneezing is also known to be a common symptom. Stage 2 of the disease has the following symptoms: high fever, hemorrhaging begins, and the infected will become disoriented and delirious. They will also begin to show aggression. The last stage, stage 3, will see the infected's temperature rise to the 107 degrees, increased hemorrhaging and aggression, with a coma and final death. If you know of anyone suffering from these symptoms, please contact your local law enforcement and medical department.